We received an invitation to offer a full-day session in UX/UI design for the students at Prathyusha Engineering College, and we agreed readily. A 5-member team from WebD School traveled to the college on the given day for the training program. We started the workshop by presenting the basics of UX/UI design, career opportunities and skill requirements to be a UX/UI designer. We then explained the learning curve of UX/UI design. Starting from understanding the user, performing surveys, performing competitor analysis, designing user journey through information architecture.
We won't use it often. Only if you are going to use them, you will be using it often. Then,
Specific real-time problems were talked about in an interactive brainstorming session, where the students came up with different answers from different points of view. This gave a good idea about the problem-solving skills to the students. A list of user experience design examples were demonstrated to students for the interpretation of good user experience and bad user experience.
say an iPhone, if the phone is locked, if anyone calls you can't cut the call.
At the end of which, students were able to identify bad user experience design and came up with refined ideas to enhance existing user experience design.
LinkedIn, yes. Someone will have to connect to a senior.
With the understanding of UX and UI, students proceeded to create rough paper sketches of various screens like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc., which were then converted to medium fidelity wireframes using Balsamic, an industry standard wireframing software. Interactive wireframes were created and presented by students with the guidance and support of our team from WebD School. It was a very fulfilling session, and we were glad to know that we had evoked a good level of interest about the UX/UI design field among the students there. Let's hear it from the students themselves.
Hello, this is Bhavita from Prathyusha Engineering College, from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we have a UX and UI workshop conducted by the school. We had a great time by knowing all the skills of UI and UX. Basically, we don't. From my point of view, I don't know about all UX and UI, and I learned something and how UX and UI design will be going through, and I did the framework of outline of the Android page, so it was very helpful workshop for us. So thanks for WebD schools, and finally I have learned something from you.
Devi, and I'm from Prathyusha Engineering College. Today we had a section on UI and UX by WebD School, and it was a very useful section. First of all, I didn't have any idea about this particular concept, especially UX, and I had a clear concept and clear idea that what is UI and what is UX. The section was from basics to an immediate level, and the sites I have reached is like a Balsamic, and it was a very useful one where I have created my own outpage. I'll go through it and work on it. Thank you so much for this beautiful section. Hope we'll have more sections like this. Thank you.
My name is Archana Kishore. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to HOD sir, principal sir, and my faculty members for arranging this amazing workshop. I would like to specially thanks to members who has been here for explaining user interface and user experience. And today, me and my friends have learned so much about user interface and user experience.
Good afternoon, I'm Akash of CSCA. இன்னைக்கு நாங்கள் வந்து இங்கே ஒர்க் ஷாப் பண்ணுவோம், UA and UX ஒர்க் ஷாப் பண்ணுவோம். இங்கே எல்லாமே ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் வந்து UA UXனா என்ன, UA UXக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்னா என்ன எல்லாமே சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. சொல்லிட்டதுக்கப்புறமா பால்சமிக்னு ஒரு ஆப் சாஃப்ட்வேர், அதில் வந்துட்டு என்னெல்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும், வயர் ஃப்ரேமிங் பண்ணுறது அப்படிலாம் சொல்லி அதெல்லாம் என்னென்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. அண்ட் ஒரு UAக்கும் UXக்கும் ஒரு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப சூப்பராக கரெக்டாக டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணி சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஒரு கலர் சைக்காலஜி, அப்புறம் அந்த ஃபாண்ட் சைக்காலஜி, இதெல்லாம் வந்து எப்படி வந்து டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணுவோம், எப்படி வந்து ஒரு ஆப்போட பர்பஸ் என்ன அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் ஃபஸ்ட்லேருந்து நான் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணேன் மூக்கு வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே கரெக்டாக சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் ரியலி ஃபன் attending this workshop. Thanks.